What's up, guys? So today I'm putting a set of new speakers in my car. I got 4 6.5-inch kickers from a friend of mine from high school. He didn't want them, so I don't know how good these are, but I've been told they're pretty good for door speakers in a car. I also got a head unit from him, but I don't know if I'll be putting that in today. And also I need 2 connectors for 2 of the other speakers because they had no wires on them. These 2 are fine, they have the wires, and I'll show you guys how to connect them. So let's get to it. Before I actually replace these, I want you to hear how bad these just happen to be. So as you can tell, these speakers are long overdue. So first things first, just the basics. Unplug the clip. Take out the 3 bolts. And it's done. Look at how corroded this is. These are definitely the stock speakers from 26 years ago. Completely garbage. After you take out the speaker, you want to take this back piece so that you can actually mount the new one to the door in the correct holes. So I put 1 bolt in, and then there's a gap right here. I know there's also another one on this side, but the way it's going to be mounted, you want the wires to be able to go through when this sits flush. So make sure to thread the wires through the bracket itself. And then put the other bolt through, which happens to be directly across from the first one. So nice and snug, not going anywhere. Then what I'm going to do to connect this clip is, most people will just cut it here and then either solder these together, or they have another connecting piece. What I was thinking is, if I want to put new speakers in besides these, I don't want to have to keep cutting the wires on these speakers. So what I bought instead were the female and male quick disconnects. I figured that'll be more convenient if I keep these speakers for a while. Let's get to it. So what you want is so that you can crimp them properly, and these also have wire cutters on it. So first things first, take your wire strippers, and it works. When you tape this up, considering bare metal is exposed between the ground and the power, so tape them up separately and then tape them together. Happened to be a very easy install. They sound a million times better, and I could blast the music. happen to sell this car and sell this car.